Sanibona bafethu uvane lo sokuneyindaba ke ngizwile. So bafethu kuneyindaba engiyizwile la. Le indaba engiyizwile ngiyilalelile namhlanje ngiyibonile mina ngadecide ukuthi aze nawe entertain because ngiyabona lo ukuthi akusizona indaba lezi engayithatha serious. Hayi, mengithi ngiyabona abantu abaningi bangimessage bayangibuza ukuthi hayi bo wevani ubusuzwile yini kunomdlalo okuthiwa igama lakhe ukuvara. Ngiyamazi bafethu ukuvara umjida wawina iChampions League with iPSG beshaya iInter Milan last season nyamazi abangifuna lo ngikhuluma ngaye kakhulu. So umjida bafethu kune post ade lo circulate. Le post le iqhamuka le ka Facebook. Ngiyangazi yena nami kuFacebook. Ngiyangazi ukuthi ngilelephi no Facebook. I'm not a firm believer of Facebook. Indaba ehlezi iphuma lapha sihlezi zifabricatiwe. So ngibona most yabantu abaningi bengibuza bethi why ukuvara ifuna ukuyodlala leBafana Bafana because iBafana Bafana isiyodlala kwiFIFA Club World Cup. Not iFIFA Club World Cup bese but iFIFA World Cup. Zithi indaba lana ukuvara ngokomthetho yena unama roots with South Africa. Kuthiwa ugogo wakhe uqhamuka khona la eSouth Africa. So yena njengoba eqhamuka le eGeorgia kuthiwa unama roots ala. Yabo uthi yena ngokwakhe uyathanda ukuthi azodlala leBafana Bafana. Kukuyona iSouth Africa uthi approach yini. Lezo indaba lezo noma kuthiwa iqiniso akusizona indaba ekumele singabe sayi-entertain. Akusiyona into ekumele ngabe sayi-entertain. Okokuqala akakaze abe khona during the whole process of ama qualifiers. Thina as South Africa akumele sifane njalo amanye ama countries akhona la eAfrica. La wafika adlala lapha sisiphethe kuma qualifiers wonke mase kuthi kuyodlala iWorld Cup mase ke elanda abadlala phesheya abangakaze babe khona part of isquad esiqualifyile laba baqhamuka sebeyothola nje ithuba lokubadlala kodwa laba ade babasiza bequalify bengathuli lutho. So akusiyona into esingayi-entertainer. Secondly, I'll speak about ukuvara as a player before I go forward. Ukuvara as a player, he's a good player, don't get me wrong. He's a good player umjida mase sim-add kuBafana Bafana angaba umdlali ongcono kakhulu asedela iquality engcono kakhulu. But when you look at yena as umdlali akaze ayidlalele iBafana Bafana. Seloko azalwa akaze ayidlalele iBafana Bafana. Mhlawumbe ngabe ngiya-understand kumdlali mhlawumbe useke wadlala kuma youth ranks iBafana Bafana it would make sense because umthetho weFIFA uyasho ukuthi umdlali ukuze adlalele i-country kumele lo mdlali before switch to another nationality kumele angadlali ngisho i-competition eyodwa from le country leyazalele kuyona. Yabo angadlalisha i-competition eyodwa yena ngokwakhe mina ama roots with South Africa kwangamele even adlale i-competition eyodwa with iGeorgia. Phela ngokokuhlala waseGeorgia umjida. Yabo waseGeorgia sambona kuma Euros edlalela iGeorgia. Yena ke usedlalisha ama World Cup qualifiers with iGeorgia. Wadlala ama Euros with iGeorgia. So automatically lokho kuyamvalela nje ngaphandle kugodwa lokho kuyamvalela ngaphandle ukuthi ayijoin iSouth Africa. Akwazi ajoin enye country. Yabo yenye izinto lezo eyenza le indaba lezi siba amanga. Yabo noma ngabe ubenawo ama roots with iBafana Bafana kodwa akushintshi noma angazalela le ngaphandle ebabazali bakhe bayabala eSouth Africa kodwa akushintshi ukuthi umjida bengiyazi akwazi ukuyidlalela iBafana Bafana ngisho nje ethanda umjida. He's a good player, yes, but the rules of FIFA, yabo we have to go back to the rules of FIFA. So nje yena ngokomthetho umjida cha ngeke azayidlalela iBafana Bafana bafethu. Kumele niyeke ukuhambe nibheka yonke into mhlawumbe niyithathe serious yonke ipost eniyipostayo eniyibonayo. I don't think even la interview adikhona. I don't think la interview adikuyama yeqiniso. I don't think it was real. I think it was a fabricated interview. I think that guy who posted that stuff ubeyipostela nje. If bekuyiqiniso ngempela ungangitheka. I want to see if bekuyengempela. Yabo even if it's true, I don't think he would qualify to play for iBafana Bafana. That is what I'm saying. But again, you can tell me in your comments what are your thoughts regarding ukuvara. Should we consider going overseas and looking for South African players who play in those leagues and feature them with FIFA World Cup? I mean, I don't think it's a good idea. We managed to qualify with our South African PSL-based players. We managed to qualify with those players. Only player who was playing kwi-Premier League okuFoster mase kuba uMhawunkota you wouldn't say ukuthi umjida usedlala eSaudi Arabia because he recently went to Saudi Arabia akadlalisha ama-matches awu-10 with le club ayidlalelayo, so you wouldn't say umjida usathanda kuhamba vele la. 3 months ago umjida ujoine i-Al Ittifaq, so you would count uMhawunkota as a PSL player yabo. But ke ngangitshela ama-comments how are you feeling regarding this thing. I don't think indaba lezi kumele siwareshe ngazo thina njengoba manje temela besayenza kumele abe siyabheka ukuthi obani mhlawumbe singakwazi ukuthi sibathathe sihambe nabo okubona abadlali. For me I think uThembi Nkosi-Lorch, I don't know, maybe Hugo Broos might call him, maybe, I don't know. That's the only player for me in my books odeservayo ukuthi mhlawumbe sikwazi ukuthi simthathe simfake ebhanoyini. Ungangitshela wena odeservayo, but for me I think it's Thembi Nkosi-Lorch. The player it's not that umjida adlale, he plays Thembi Nkosi-Lorch. That's the player in my books singakwazi ukuthi sihambe naye yabo. He proved it before. He played for iBafana Bafana before. Uyayazi, he knows usimele kwenziweni.